In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email signature in Canva with Animated GIF Elements. Hi everyone, and welcome. We're going to build a clean, professional email signature in Canva, and then enhance it with subtle animation to give it a polished, modern touch. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top and type Email Signature. This gives you a correctly sized canvas right away, so you don't need to guess dimensions. From here, you can choose a ready-made email signature template or start with a blank design if you prefer full control. Templates are great because they're already balanced for readability and spacing. Pick a style that matches your brand and keep it simple. Less is more in email signatures. Click the text boxes and replace the placeholder content with your own details. Add your name, job title, company, and the contact methods you want to share. Keep the font clean and legible. Avoid tiny sizes, and stick to one or two complementary fonts. Make sure your spacing is consistent so the signature looks tidy at a glance. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type Animated Icon or GIF. You'll see a selection of subtle looping graphics. Click one to add it to your design. Place the animation where it supports the layout, commonly near social icons or a divider, so it doesn't compete with your name and title. Resize it so it's small and tasteful. Your signature should remain professional and easy to scan. If you have your own animated GIF, click Uploads and add the file from your device. Transparent or minimal animations usually blend best. Keep an eye on file size. Smaller files load faster and are less likely to cause issues in email clients. Preview your animation to make sure it loops smoothly and doesn't distract. Watch for any jittery motion or colors that clash, and adjust the size or swap the GIF if needed. When you're happy, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. If you're exporting a static version, choose PNG for a crisp, widely compatible image. If you want to preserve the motion, select GIF. Remember, GIFs look great but can be larger, so keep the animation simple to maintain quick load times. And that's how you make an email signature in Canva with Animated GIF Elements. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.